Hi everyone, Agnes here, and I'm going to go through some things to help you to treat them as if they love you. So, some thoughts to stop and to replace. So I'll give you the ones to stop first, and then I will give you the replacement ones to really practice, okay? Number one, they will get bored of me. Now, that's you not feeling good enough about yourself, feeling not interesting enough, feeling not as good as other people, and you think that the person's just not going to want you around. So that's a negative thought from the self to the self. So it's a thought. That's all it is. Make the effort to change it. And I'll go through some of these later. Okay? I'm going to go through the ones to stop first, and then we'll go through the ones to replace. Now, I'm not good enough for them. That's about you having them on a pedestal, thinking they're better than you. Okay? Now, that shows you that you're in a state of not good enough. And it's like, good enough for who? Or that person's better than me and I'm less than them. Those are just negative thoughts we have about ourselves. This is never between you and another person. The opponent is you. The thoughts in your head are the opponent. How you feel about yourself is the opponent, you see. Okay, so the next one, number 3, they will leave me for someone else. Again, thinking someone's better than you, that the grass is greener over there. And if you project that out, and if you continue to be in that state of thinking that, then you end up attracting the evidence. Okay, so another thought to let go of about someone leaving you for someone else. So you practice, I am first best, and I am good enough. All right, I'll go through those after. Now, the fourth one, other men and women are better than me. So again, the grass is greener in terms of that someone else has got more skills than you, that they look better than you, that they're smarter than you, that they're more fun than you, that they've got, better body parts than you. And it's just putting yourself down and devaluing yourself, again, between you and you. Now, things you can start doing, thoughts you can start having. This one comes from Louise Hay. It's an old one. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. Okay, for those of you that like that one, I probably wouldn't do that one these days because I don't want it to be reliant on external people. I am beautiful and I love myself. I would probably do, but that's an old one from Louise Hay, if that appeals to you. Another one, I'm attractive and sexy. Okay, for those of you that think that somebody else looks better than you, or that you are second to someone else who looks this way, or is that age, or is that weight, or is that height, it's really replacing that, you see. Okay, so I'm attractive and sexy. Number 3, I am wonderful to be around. For those of you that feel that you're boring and that, someone else is more interesting than you, I am wonderful to be around. Very simple. Another one. Number 4, I am unique. I am fun, I am playful, I am happy. Those are the people that attract people. Okay, so you can practice that one as well. And I so enjoy my life. When you're in that state, everyone wants to be around you, you see. So try those. Try to really change that within yourself. When you do that and you think about them, then you are treating them as if they love you because you're not doing all that negative, repetitive stuff. All right? So, short little YouTube, lots of love, and I'll see you as always, you know where, you know when.